When you're subsoiling, eventually you're going to hit something solid, a rock, a stump, or buried debris, and that's exactly what the shear pin is designed for. It's a simple system which protects both the shank and the frame by taking the load and shearing when needed. But even when the shear pin breaks, the shank doesn't fall off the beam. It simply swings back until you're ready to replace the pin. And this is where the Yeomans system really shines. It's fast, simple, and requires nothing more than a drift pin and a hammer. First, line up the holes in the shank and clamp plate. Then take your drift pin and drive it in. Once the holes are lined up, slide your new shear pin into position. Then simply remove the drift pin. That's it. Job done in seconds. There's no pins, no nuts, no fiddling around in the dirt. Just a simple piece of bright bar designed to be replaced quickly and cheaply. It's one of the quickest and easiest shear pin systems you'll find, keeping you moving in the paddock with minimal downtime.